In last video we tried to repeat 3 makeups who create for me ChatGPT. So today we try repeat last 2 makeups.
Now I want to try this makeup. I like this color and I don't know, can I find it on my box, but oh my god, you see this? Very nice color, very nice color. So it's difficult, but I need to try and change my foundation. I will use white concealer on this makeup. You can see on the photo, we need skin like vampire. I use powder because I want very white skin, and I know it can help me. Next. Где бы взять такие? Я даже знаю, где взять. I think it's color. Yeah, maybe this. No, this color. It's our color. I try. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, too much, but this. Yeah. But too much. Прям очень припорчанула. У нее есть контуринг, но какой-то серый у нее все-таки есть. Little contouring. Here, here, and here. Enough. Not too much. Now it's better. So I tried to use this color, and we need create line. Okay, let's try. Now it looks not good, but I hope we can change it. Для этого нам понадобится немного мозгов. This color. This color I want to use and blend like this. Now we need dark color. Blend. Yeah, it's good. More dark. And mix. Maybe if I have color like on this photo, I don't have problem, but I don't have, and I want this color, so we try to do something with this. Но я не сдамся. Я не сдамся, как минимум у нас еще проблема, у нас же нет нижнего века. Давайте его сразу нарисуем. Возможно, от этого у нас исправится ситуация очень сильно. Пока это выглядит не очень, да? любой непонятной ситуации всегда есть консилер, которым можно все исправить. И вообще сказать, что так оно было задумано.
A few moments later.
And last one, it's lip. Forgot about blush. Агрессивненько вышло. I use this shimmer on my eyes, and we can use this shimmer like highlighter, but it's very hard, I think, for this makeup. So that's why I use this shimmer. Не лень переодеваться, поэтому... How you think? It's not too much for Valentine's Day, or it's like dark female energy? Don't forget about like and subscribe my channel. If you support me, it will be help me to create more new interesting video for you. And if you have some idea for next video, you can write me on the comment, and maybe your idea I will do on next video. So last makeup what we gonna do, I think it's grunge makeup. Maybe I little bit change it because it's dark makeup. I have one dark makeup. We have one dark makeup. We have light pink makeup. We have old Hollywood makeup, and we have color makeup. So this makeup for lazy girl, because grunge makeup, it's very lazy makeup. You don't do line like this. Yeah.
First of all, it's foundation. У меня уже раздражение на глазах. 5 макияжей подряд – это плохая идея. Grunge makeup, it's very lazy makeup, so I want to use this blush. It's good, yeah. I see a little bit contouring, so we repeat it. Now black liner. And now we use TikTok hack and do this. Nice. Now I use this color for blend. And I want to blend all of these, maybe this color. I want more black. And then we repeat liner. If you want clean makeup, you need to use concealer after eyes makeup. We see very big brow, but I have very graphic brow, and for me hard to change form, so I repeat my form. Mascara. On this makeup I don't use dark lipstick like reference, so I want to maybe more nude variants. Не, ну нюдово. Чисто нюдово. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget about subscribe and tell me what variants makeup do you like more. Send me it in comment, and I wish you a lot of love on Valentine's Day. See you next video. Bye bye.